Let's open up iMovie and start a project. Create project. I'm going to make a movie. From here you'll see lots of options of images and videos already on your iPad to use, but I'm going to skip all of that and go to create movie, and I'll get them a little bit later. Now that I'm in, I would like to search my media, the plus up in the top right, and I'm first going to get my background. The background is always first. So I'm going to go to actually an album that I made specifically for this project. It has all my green screening in it, and I like to pick my background. If I tap on it, I just add the plus, and it's in my project. You can see it's only about 7 seconds long. I can drag it to make it longer if needed. Now to add the second layer with my green screening, I go back up, tap on the next one, and this needs a moment to download. Once it's downloaded, you'll see 3 dots. When you tap those dots, you get choices of how to combine and overlay the videos. I'm going to choose the green or blue screen, and it drops it up above so you can now see the video happening. Now you can also tell that I screencast that video, and I don't want that, so I'm going to highlight it, and I can trim it this easily. And now it won't happen. You can watch again here, and off it goes. So from there we do have some more editing options. If I just click out of the media here and I tap on this, you can see in the top right of the preview I have some different settings. I can either do a strength setting here, move it a little further. This will just strengthen the filter, the chroma filter that takes out the background. I can also drag to take out a little bit more to crop my photo. Perhaps if you're using a green screen and you need to crop out the sides, this is where you do it. Once I'm happy with that, I just tap out of it and I have it. When you have the video looking the way that you want it to, you can press done. You can name your video. And then you can also share it. It's as easy as tapping the share tool here. One other thing you might want to do in iMovie that you can't do in other places, in other apps, you can add some different effects to your video. You can add a soundtrack to your video. You can use the microphone to record a narration. It has a little bit more to offer. You can just go over to soundtracks and you have a bunch that are already downloaded, and you can just tap on them and add it to your project for a little bit extra finishing. And that's how you use iMovie to green screen.